Candy Flask, a single mother, filed a legal case seeking child support from her former fiancé Lyle, a man who was no stranger to appearing in court.
I'm here today because I need some more money from baby daddy, okay?
Okay.
He's been doing a lot of social media stuff, and I'm like, oh yeah, let me have some more money because my baby needs it.
Her body language practically radiated entitlement, as if she was completely confident the judge would view Lyle's previous run-ins with the law as a clear mark against him.
All right. How much child support is he paying right now?
Well, my son is 13. We went to court years ago, so it's only at $100 a month.
Okay.
You know?
She's no newcomer to the courtroom herself, having already won a case against him years ago, yet here she is once more, pushing for even more. Talk about persistence. What's surprising is that she wasn't exactly left empty-handed the first time around.
Okay. And you said he's 13 now.
Yes.
How old was your son when he was placed on child support?
It was like months after baby was born.
Oh, okay. It was real new.
Yeah.
She began receiving child support before the baby was even able to crawl, let alone walk. So what's the issue now? Why is she pulling Lyle back into court all over again?
Okay.
As soon as it popped out, child support.
Oh, you ain't even give him a chance?
No, he was doing stuff while I was pregnant with my baby. So yeah, I already knew in my mind, social security number.
It almost sounds like she's eager to distance herself from him, judging by how openly she's admitting to her actions.
What kind of stuff was he doing?
Just with so many women, and it's just like, it was just too overwhelming. I was pregnant, I was having complications during my pregnancy, and he just out in the streets.
What exactly was he up to? He was involved with so many women, and it was all just too overwhelming. I was pregnant, dealing with complications, and he was out running the streets. But that can't be the full story, right? What kind of father would abandon his child during such a critical time and only show up in court just to see the mother?
What kind of stuff is he posting on social media that makes you think he has more money?
Oh, he's living his best life, okay?
How good is he living?
Oh, he's living good. He's going on trips after trips.
Candy seems unusually comfortable, especially considering how boldly she's attacking Lyle's character right in front of the judge.
He's flashing money, and he just recently flashed a little ring. I guess he gave one of his little chicks a little ring.
Oh, but hold on, Lyle's fiancé just walked into the courtroom, adding a whole new layer of drama to the situation. Things are really starting to heat up now.
He did mention that he was engaged. This is your fiance that's back here?
Yeah.
Oh, he been to court already with the other baby mama, huh?
There's no need for Candy to point that out. The judge already knows Lyle all too well, since she handled that case as well.
Well, not to put his business out there or anything, but
we coming for you.
Honestly, you can really sense the awkward tension coming from Lyle and his fiancée at this moment. Meanwhile, Candy is getting increasingly upset over what appears to be a minor issue. It seems like the judge needs to intervene and remind her to keep her composure.
Okay, well, you all coming for him has nothing to do with me.
I'm sorry.
Now, this is your fiance back here.
Yes.
Oh, okay, this is the lady that you all work together.
Yeah, yes.
You, her, and the other child's mom.
Here we go again, another shocking revelation. Poor Lyle is caught in a real mess, tangled up with women from his past all around him.
Do you all get along?
I don't like none of them. Him, her, the other one, none of them.
I don't have an issue with anybody, Your Honor.
Okay. So
I'm happy.
Okay.
She seems reasonable, to a breath of fresh air compared to Candy, who is completely dominating the scene and pushing full steam ahead.
Will I have to have my bailiff escort you out or anything?
No.
Okay. So you're not going to be making any loud outbursts or doing anything like that?
No,
okay.
I'm
And
cool.
you understand that's not going to be tolerated, right?
Finally, a much-needed intervention from the judge. She has now turned her attention to the respondent, Mr. Lyle, asking for his side of the story. Honestly, he could have done a better job of showing that he cares for his son.
Why aren't you taking care of your 13-year-old son?
First of all, I do take care of my 13-year-old son. The other day, I just took the wombats and Pampers over there for him.
You took what?
Some diapers.
He's 13.
Why aren't you taking care of your 13-year-old son? First of all, I do take care of my son. Just the other day, I brought wombats and diapers over for him. You brought what? Some diapers. He's 13. Honestly, it's hard to tell whether we should feel sorry or just burst out laughing at Lyle's unbelievable level of cluelessness right now.
How involved are you in this child's life?
I will be more involved in the child's life if the wombat wouldn't act like she do.
What does that mean?
I don't never see him.
I mean, seriously, bringing diapers for a 13-year-old, you'd think he'd at least know his son's age by now. It's painfully clear he's not visiting out of any real fatherly care. Even the judge must be rolling her eyes at this point.
You don't ever, well, obviously, that's clearly you just said you put him in diapers.
I don't never.
Are you getting him mixed up with your other kids?
I don't never see him.
He moved away.
And I did move. I moved a couple minutes, about 45.
He has to be joking right now. Just wait until Miss Candy reveals the real story.
45 minutes away.
You went to go be with the other kids. That's what you did. I got the first baby.
Okay. And you act like $100 ain't nothing. $100 was
$100?
That's $100 more than.
That's right, Lyle apparently has more children besides the son he has with Candy. And it seems he prefers visiting them over spending time with Candy and their son. The conversation is heating up, with both of them exchanging jabs and taunts right in front of the judge.
He's engaged now. He's not for the streets
He is
anymore.
for the streets, Your Honor. When I tell you he's not going to be with her for long.
How do you know?
I know him. I know him. He's
How
not
long were
going to
you
be.
all together?
We was together like 6 months.
In just 6 months, he moved on to the next women, leaving Candy to raise the baby on her own.
Oh.
Put me on child support
But
right
I
there.
left. I left because I realized that he was for the streets. How am I big and pregnant and he got so many ladies? Like, I
How
had
can I
to
be with
go.
somebody that got an OnlyFans?
Oh,
Wait, Candy was an OnlyFans model. Oh, okay. Actually, you probably didn't know that, but is he telling the truth? Well, that's nobody's business but theirs.
Oh, okay. You know what?
no, you didn't.
Is he telling the truth though now?
That's nobody's.
I have to do what I can to make money because he's not taking care of our son, right? But how can you say he's out there on the streets when you have a page like that yourself?
I have to do things to make money because he's not taking care of our son.
Right, but how can you sit there and say he's for the streets and you have a page like that?
The moment Lyle said that, Candy's grip on the scales of justice seemed to weaken once more.
I don't think you can blast him when you.
It's not the streets,
doing
it's the
that.
internet.
Oh, okay, I got it. So because it's on the internet, it's different from him being out on in the street.
That doesn't really change much, does it?
I understand your frustration with them, but don't come in here and waste my time. I haven't done anything to you. You'd agree with me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so $8,000 a month. You have 3 kids total.
The judge carefully listened to everything she needed to hear before finally making her decision, after enduring a long back and forth of nagging and arguments.
Okay, and you said 200 for football?
I said 500.
No, you said 200 for football.
And then I have to buy equipment. So I need 500.
Okay,
Not only that, Candy also began coming up with even more reasons to try and get extra money from Lyle.
500. What about basketball?
Basketball probably about 300.
Okay. So that's $800, right?
Yes. I think I'm gonna put him in karate too.
That's when the judge finally lost her patience as well.
She going too far, Nate.
You know what? You just came here to waste my time. So
I just want my son to be in everything. I just want him
it
to be
sounds
great.
like you want to tell me you want to put him in everything so you can get more money off of this man.
You're going too far now. You know what? You just came here to waste my time. I just want what's best for my son, but it sounds like you're trying to involve him in everything just to get more money from this man.
And I'm sorry, I'm not here to play in your little petty game.
Sure,
And
no,
I'm not
50
going
cents,
to
Mom.
do that. I'm not going to do that. So you know what I'm going to do? Since you came here to waste my time, I'm going to make sure I don't waste any more of yours. I'm denying your request and dismissing this case.
Really?
There you have it, case closed. Candy's greed ultimately ruined her chances of securing a large child support payment from her ex-fiancé. The judge made the right call, having seen through what Candy was really trying to do.